The number of species of birds and mammals and amphibians we can now map out with some considerable detail. These are birds, and they show that the greatest numbers of species are in the tropical moist forests of the world, a pattern that covers all the continents. The interesting and unusual aspect, however, is when we begin to look at species in terms of their geographical range sizes and look at the species that have smaller than the median range. Those distributions are profoundly different. They are concentrated in special places, what my colleague Norma Myers calls hotspots. And the northern Andes is a hotspot with extraordinary numbers of small range species. Now, small range species are the ones that are at the greatest risk of extinction. So conservation is very much a matter of looking where those species are concentrated.